How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Let me get this door open. So you just lost the key, is that what happened?
Yeah, he got stolen.
Oh, it got stolen?
Yeah.
Who stole it?
So, I had I left the bag at, they just straight up stole the bag.
Oh, so nobody that you know?
No one that no.
Okay.
Just got it.
Is your address in that bag or no?
No.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, luckily, that's all the best things about stolen. There's nothing in the bag besides
The car key? Oh, the car is locked too. Oh, yeah. I grabbed my ignition Lishi, but let's see. I could probably pick it with this. It's not a. It's a little bit harder with the 10 cut. Yeah, let me get the 8 cut. 3 to 10. That's the 10 cut. 1 to 10. So you can pick the door lock and get the cuts, and then you'll have a few options for the ignition key. Or you can pick the ignition key and get all 10. So I'm gonna have to pick this door, but then I'll pick the ignition as well. I'll write down the cuts that we get out of here, and then get the first 2 and just compare it. All the other 8 should be the same. Okay, that's picked. Let's read these. Come on now. Oh, so the window was locked. There you go. Okay, let's read these cuts. I'm gonna compare it to what I got from the door. Oh, look at that picture. So now we'll wait 2.
What?
1. Our chip key? Don't think it is, because if it was, you would see a key light. We don't see it. We could start the car even. It's not chipped. And that is how, if I was a criminal, I would steal this car. But I'm not, so lucky for them. All right.
Holy shit, that was so fast.
I didn't make the key and I just picked it on.
Oh.
You should hear what I was telling myself in my video. I'm like, if I was a criminal, this is how I would take the car. All right, let me cut you a key.
Sorry, I meant to ask for the chain.
What was your question?
You take card, right?
Yeah, that or Zelle.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. Nissan. The D side. All right, now it's done.
Shit,
Yeah,
so fast.
thank you. Hey, the one. No. Oh my goodness. Call you back.